Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoka. Indaba zalaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu. I-coach ye-Kaizer Chiefs uCedric Kaizer ukhulumile ngoLuke Budman bafethu ku-conference izolo. Uthi bacabanga ukusenda uLuke Budman laphana ku-DDC team ukuthi akwazi ukuyosiza i-DDC team. Kusho ukuthi ngeke bamdlalise ku-first team. I know other people were anticipating ukuthi adlale ku-first team, but no, babona ukuthi uzokwazi ukuthola i-game time laphana. Maybe abamboni as a big part of i-senior team. Same thing lento eyenzeka ngokulokhu njani ubani Thulani Touch Mabaso, uNkwesa, who's this other one, Hlongwane baba-promotile, but still they're sending them back to ini-DDC team. uLuke Budman, why would you send uLuke Budman kulokhu njani bafethu ku-DDC team? Because uLuke Budman 2 years ago bedlala ku-Betway Premiership laphana ku-Ajax noma ngithi ku-Cape Town Spurs. So going back to i-DDC team uyabona ukuthi uyamslower down umdlali sena 2 years adlala ku-professional setup, even na last year bedlala ku-professional setup, and then you sending him back. Leyo nto izokwenzani ngempela ku-confidence yakhe overall, ne-contribution yakhe ethimini expected, because you can only grow to a certain extent ku-DDC team, but kune-ceiling. But uma udlala laphana ku-senior team kula okhula khona ngempela, okwaziyo ngempela ucontributor ethimini. I think lento le disappointing ngempela ukuthi uLuke Budman ngeke akwazi ukudlala bafowethu ku-senior team. Disappointing because we've been waiting ukuthi adlale, and then only for i-coach ukusho manje ukuthi hayi okwamanje umfethu uzoba laphana ku-DDC team. Njengoba ngishilo ukuthi une-experience ku-professional setup, akafani nabanye abadlali oThulani, we understand ukuthi that is why bayabona ukuthi ku-first team ngeke bayithole i-game time that much, baloke badlala ku-DDC team, which is okay. And then this side lo uqala ukudlala ku-Betway Premiership 2 years back bafethu. So it's a different ball game ngempela between kulabadlali laba bakhona laphana. Yeah, kusho ukuthi kuma-youngsters ama-coach awabhelieve overall, but-ke I mean ama-decision wabo coach vele banama-strikers amaningi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. If siyakhumbula kahle izolo, before i-Kaizer Chiefs izodlala le eliya on emini or ekuseni, kuphume ukuthi abana-plan ngaye uBudman, abana-plan ukuthi bazomdlalisa yiphi i-position, ba-confuse o-coach ukuthi bazomdlalisa yiphi i-position nanokuthi uzo-contribute kanjani ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Kusho ukuthi bayamdoubt ukuthi anga-contribute laphana ethimini. Yeah, yabona, this happens if o-coach abazisayinile ama-player. This happens all the time ukuthi uthola i-player young. Lo muntu lo ufana noVilakazi phela ubuya ku-World Cup bafethu, ku-under 20 i-World Cup, and udlalile ku-World Cup. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini? Kuchaza ukuthi unayo lo experience ku-professional setup, even kuma-international stage laphana. But i-decision ye-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafethu kumele siyihloniphe. Yeah, we cannot really attack it that much. Kumele siyihloniphe. O-coach bayazi ukuthi benzani bona, njengoba bathathela ama-decision. Yibo coach at the end of the day. uCedric ku-conference uthe wonke umuntu eSouth Africa uzenza ngathi uyi-coach, bona bane-experience, ababambi iy'ntambo bafethu. Mhlawumbe kuzobasebenzela whatever they are doing, esithemba ukuthi kuzobasebenzela. I wanna talk about kancane nje uPhuso Dithejane. Sike sakhuluma ngaye bafethu kudala, kukhulunywa ngaye indaba ye-incident yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi wahamba ngendaba ukuthi warefuse ukuthi abe u-ball boy. Guess what? Yena manje sekukhuluma enye into, ukhuluma enye into bafethu straight kwi-interview. You can check i-interview yakhe, I think ku-YouTube, ubani lo bhuti uMahlasele noma ubani lo bekam-interview. Uthi uPhuso Dithejane uthi i-media ireporte amanga ngale story lesi, mesichaza yena uthi amanga because of indlela abareporte ngayo le story lesi akusiyiqiniso, but there's an element of iqiniso, but not the entire thing. Uthi bona batshela ukuthi okay bano-ball boy, uthi bona baya ethimini bazama ukunegotiate ne-team, bathi so bawo-ball boy manje, and then ku-late kuzoba i-match ya-late, whatever. And mina ngi-interpret-a kanjalo, akayishongo direct lapho. Uthi ngoba bekudlalwa i-match, and then sabatshela ethimini thina mazama ukunegotiate nabo, sathi sine-match kusasa ngo-12, so there is no way sibe o-ball boy namhlanje, because obviously I mean asi-ede ukuthi abantu bayi-understand ukuthi uzama ukuthini. Sine-match kusasa, u-Kaizer Chiefs bebafuna ukuthi babe o-ball boy emeshini yasebusuku. Izophela ngobani i-match? Kusho ukuthi eku-stadium bazohamba ngobani? Ngo-11, and then the next morning kusasa bane-match i-DDC team, and then kumele bahlangane ngobani ecampaign whatever. So that did not make sense for yena nalaba abantu abanye bathi hayi ngeke bona bayenze lento le, right? So i-media ifavor iside elilodwa. I mean izinto ezinje phela maziloko ezirepotwa, as much as abantu bathi sikhathele lento le kudala kukhulunywa ngayo, uPhuso Dithejane manje is one of the biggest stars ku-P_S_L, right? And abantu mabambheka lesiya ama-scout mabamfuna abanye babheka ukuthi hayibo une-record lokuthi ku-Kaizer Chiefs wahambela ukuthi akaphathi kahle, seyimpainter as umuntu ongathi umuntu ongalaleli, umuntu ongasiyi team player, i-player nje elizenzelayo, kanti no, that's not the case. So abasikhavanga kahle sonke istory bafowethu. But yeah, I think that was just a bad decision for Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ihambise umfana, considering the fact that is one of the biggest stars manje ku-P_S_L. Cabanga bahambisa uNdamane mahhala, bahambisa yena umfana. Ubani uMdaka naye wahamba mahhala after leya incident. uNdamane-ke wazihambela without the incident, I think khona mani uke wakhuluma ku-interview yazi nge-Kaizer Chiefs, ngiyamkhohlwa ukuthi ubani, wakhuluma ukuthi hhayi ukuthi wonke ama-player azophumelela laphana emathimini amakhulu, for bona kumele bazame ukuya nakwamanye ama-team ukuthi bagene experience bafike badlalele khona. Maybe one day bangadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs or ko-Pirates or ko-Sundowns, usho ama-team amakhulu, but kuyasho ukuthi kumele at the end of the day bona kumele bathathe ama-decision. Yeah, amagama strong lawo because of decision ibalekile ukuthi uyithathe, i-decision ezokubhenefitha wena as umdlali and ezokusiza ngempela. Because lese uhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-DDC team, uhlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzube na 23, awukazi udlale professional. Well, i-DDC team phela i-reserve league, udlala ku-reserve league 23, and kuneminyaka-ke soyakhathwa-ke ngoba soyakhula. Angisakhumbuli ukuthi manje i-DDC team iminyaka yakhona bayehlisile kwasha kwacima. I don't know what's really happening because I haven't paid much attention kule ndaba lezi minyaka. Ngifuna ukwenza example uXolani Cosa, yes, lo we-Kaizer Chiefs, yes, wuye isibongo sakhe if ngisisho right. Una-21, bedlala ku-DDC team. i-Kaizer Chiefs iyabona i-potential ukuthi fine, but i-TS Galaxy iyamfuna umfana. Then u-Kaizer Chiefs they were forced ukuthi bamnike i-professional contract and then bamthathe bamloan to i-team yaseBotswana, which is a good thing. But without leyo buzz ne-hype around yena, bengeke ayithole i-first team contract naye. Kaizer, he was gonna be one of the players abamluza mahhala. So I mean the transition yabo ya ku-DDC team naku-first team kumele ngempela ikwazi ukubhenefitha i-team and both of it, i-team and a player, and the player ukuthi I mean well balanced, well orchestrated. I mean uFarouk oke wasebenzela i-Kaizer Chiefs wadevelop ama-player amaningi, ukhuluma ngalento lokuthi kumele kube nobudlelwano obu-right ukuthi mabanama-player right laphana ku-DDC team akwazi ukutransition to i-team. But kubonakala ngathi leyo line leyo u-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho that powerful if like they will keep losing ama-player. Beside Dithejane bafowethu, beside labo ukuthi bahamba ngalo incident lawo, maningi ama-player ahamba mahhala, but-ke agcine aba one of the best players e-league overall. And how do you make sure that you keep your good players? Maningi ama-players are good obvious ku-DDC team or ku-youth development e-Kaizer Chiefs, but the biggest stars ngempela laba abagood ngempela, why uthola ukuthi abanye abapromothiwe bagcine baye kwamanye ama-team. Ngazi mase ngiyivala bafethu, umbuzo wami nje ukuthi uBatman ukuthi abuyele ku-DDC team, umuntu owaqala ukuba professional 2 years back, king of the problem. But-ke it is what it is, angaya afika approve lapha yet again. Sobona ukuthi uzophelela ngempela umdlali uBatman. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.